Hey guys, today I have some slime that I'm going to be showing you guys. I have fluffy slime, I have butter slime, and then I have crunchy slime. This all came from one big batch of slime. So pretty good. First I'm going to start with the fluffy slime. I'm going to start with this one. This is what it looks like. And it's just really fluffy. And it's super soft when you stretch it and move it with your thumbs. Really soft. And look at pretty good slime. So what I did with this is I had glue. Do not use paint. I learned from my mistake. I used paint and it was all gooey and it didn't fit. So I fixed it with shaving cream, so that's how it came fluffy. So glue, then food coloring, not paint. So glue, then food coloring, and then shaving cream, and then activator. The beads, they're not in there on purposely. They're in there on accident because this one got mixed in with my crunchy slime, so that's why beads are in this. Yeah, it's pretty good slime. If cracks go too. So yeah, that's my fluffy slime. Now we're going to make my butter slime. It's yellow because I use yellow Model Magic. It's like Play-Doh. So, how to make butter slime? You just take glue, and then coloring is optional. This accidentally has beads in it too. And then you take glue. Coloring is optional because the clay, if the clay is a color and not just white, it's gonna change the color of the slime. So it doesn't really matter. But yeah, and then so the food coloring is optional. And then you want to activate it. I put glitter in mine, and I also put shaving cream in mine. The shaving cream didn't really do anything, but yeah, the glitter. And then you just add the Model Magic once it's not sticky and you can eat with your hands. And that's when you add the Model Magic. And then yeah, that's how you make butter slime. You have to mix thoroughly though. So this is my butter slime. It's really soft, really soft, and it pops too. I'm surprised by that. What? Beat it. And so yeah, there's the butter slime. So yeah. And then grand finale, the butter. The crunchy. It's super ooey gooey money, but it's still super cool. And only when you stretch it, it makes an amazing sound. Turn your volume all the way up because this is going to be so satisfying of a sound. Amazing, right? Okay, you can turn your volume down now. Because if you hear me talk, it's going to go in full blast and it's going to be humiliating for you, for your ears. What's weird?
Nothing.
So, how to make crunchy slime? Regular slime. I used fluffy slime and then you just add beads. That's it. But make sure to subscribe and comment down below which one was your favorite. The crunchy slime, the butter slime, or the fluffy slime.